How to turn off auto update in Play Store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Play Store, and once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner, then click on Settings, and here you want to click on Network Preferences and then Auto Update Apps. You will get this window right here, from which you want to select the last option that says Don't Auto Update Apps, and then click on Done to confirm and save the changes. And by doing that, the auto update feature would be disabled on your Play Store. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to deactivate and stop the auto update apps on the Google Play Store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.